Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant's critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. So first thing that you want to do is you need to go to your device manager. So you're going to click on the Windows icon and you're going to search up device manager. So you're going to select it. Now what you need to do is you need to expand your display drivers. So I'm going to do that. So install our UHD graphics. You're going to right click on your graphics card and then you're going to click on Update Driver. Now what you need to do in this process is you need to update your graphics card because sometimes the game can give you an error if your graphics card is outdated. Next thing that you want to do is you need to go to your settings in Windows. So once I close this window, you're going to click on the Windows icon there and you're going to access settings. You will then go to the left side of the screen and you're going to select Windows Update. Then make sure that you check for updates on your computer. Sometimes Windows doesn't automatically do it. So once you open up Windows Update, you are going to go to the right side here and you're going to select check for updates. And if there are any updates, make sure that you download them and then restart your PC. Next thing that you need to do is you need to go to the Windows icon and you're going to search up run. Then you're going to select it. Now you're going to type in msconfig. And then you're going to hit enter. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the services tab and you're going to select hide all Microsoft services. So under the list of services, you are going to look for VGC and you're going to make sure that it is selected. And then once it is selected, you are going to go to the right side here and you're going to click on disable all. Once you're done doing that, you are going to hit enter or click on OK and then restart your system. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.